Somewhere between the sea and the sky, between Scotland and Nova Scotia, between the Hebrides and mainland Scotland, and many more places, a language is waiting to be spoken more every day. Scottish Gaelic, Carnan nan Gael, the old precious language of the Gaels.
Across the world, interest in Scottish Gaelic has been rising steadily. With government support and cultural pride, the language is making a powerful comeback. Its impact and benefits starting to be noticed in the remote Gaelic island communities.
Learning Scottish Gaelic connects you to heritage, history, and a deeper sense of belonging. It's not just a skill, it's a gift. It is making lifelong friends from around the world and becoming part of the growing Gaelic family with one goal in common.
People say that Gaelic is too hard. But they've never tried Ùlpan, a method that helps you speak naturally from day one. You will work on authentic emphasis and intonation through repetition.
With just one or more sessions a week, you can build Gaelic into your routine, without overloading your schedule. The lessons are so practical, you can immediately apply the phrases and do the exercises again at home. Maybe you want to help the children with their Gaelic?
It's not about fluency, it's about confidence. With Ùlpan, you'll speak and understand from week one. We will encourage you to speak up, and everyone gets the same amount of speaking time, in drills and exercises.
Ùlpan is immersive, conversational, and almost stress-free if you are well prepared for each lesson. You listen, speak, repeat, just like a child learning their first language. Everything you need to form your own conversation practice group.
How are you? Fine, thank you. This is the kind of everyday Gaelic you'll learn and use with ease. Of course, it gets more challenging and faster as you get to advanced level learning.
You don't start with grammar drills, you start with speech. Grammar is introduced bite-sized through interactive simple exercises. You will learn to read without hesitation and develop an understanding of Gaelic rhythm.
Parents, teachers, retirees, young professionals, Gaelic is for everyone. If you're curious, you belong here, in the world of Gaelic learners and language enthusiasts who want to save this precious heritage.
I spoke Gaelic and sounded really good, after just a few sessions. Quite impressed with myself actually. Never thought I'd manage to get the hang of it. It really boosted my confidence to keep going.
Do you have a Gaelic language plan at work? Do you struggle to meet your targets? Let us help. We offer Ùlpan and other Gaelic courses for public and private sector teams.
Choose from our online classes or come to the Outer Hebrides for your language immersion experience, whatever time of the year. Maybe you would like us to bring the Gaelic experience to you? Our Gaelic courses work wherever you are.
With Gaelic comes culture, history with its countless stories passed on from generation to generation, appreciation for nature, local food, Gaelic music, ceilidhs where you can dance to your heart's content, and a way of life that nourishes your soul.
Imagine learning Gaelic while walking through peat bogs, using it to buy tickets in Kildonan Museum in South Uist, shopping in the local North Uist shops, or hearing it spoken in the post office in Castlebay on the Isle of Barra.
Scottish Gaelic gives you access to a global community, past, present and future. When you learn it, you're never alone. There are countless opportunities to connect, get involved with projects, and enjoy seeing Gaelic grow. You will leave your own legacy.
Our Love Gaelic learners read and speak more confidently, understand more, and stay committed, even throughout the challenges that come with learning Gaelic. The proof is in their continuous progress. Check their videos on our Love Gaelic YouTube channel.
This is what my fellow students are saying. It's the only class I look forward to each week. I finally feel connected to my roots. I learned so much in a short time. These are real voices from Love Gaelic learners.
Think of this. You won't just gain an endangered language, you'll gain pride for being part of the movement to save Gaelic. Your confidence will grow and so will your fluency. Soon it will be your turn to help others and the next generation to achieve the same goal. Join Love Gaelic this September. You can register on the Love Gaelic website events page or contact us today. Invite your friends, as working in group is always more rewarding and fun. We look forward to meeting you.